Hey guys, it's Maxine. So right now it's actually a Saturday and I took off for the day. I'm not usually off of work on Saturdays, but I just thought it would be nice to have like a summer off Saturday day. And we are making pancakes for breakfast. I'm just about to get started. By the way, this is the egg replacer that I use. It's the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. It's really good.
Hey, so while Max is making the pancakes, I decided to make these Gardein breakfast sausage patties. They're vegan, of course, and here they are.
I got my rose gold ladle. Chloe, hi. Hi, little. Hi, Coco. You sweet girl. Do you want a pancake? I'm gonna make a mousy-sized pancake with little Mickey ears on it, so you can have a taste. Yay! Hey, it doesn't need a lot. Oh, it's starting to burn. Ah!
Yeah, I think you sprayed this before. Maybe
What?
you should wipe it once to like prime the metal and then respray it.
Okay, help.
Because it's like bare metal.
Okay, I got a helpful cameraman now to help me double task. Alright, that's better. Hell yeah! You want blueberries in yours? I'm assuming he does.
I don't think so.
Okay. You want chocolate chips?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna make Mousy a little pancake. Mickey ears on it. Oh, that's cute. They're getting so fluffy. Yay. Alright, this doesn't look very much like a Mickey head. It kind of looks like a gremlin head. Ah! Whoa!
Wow. Perfectly burned.
Shut up.
Thank God the garbage gets to eat.
I did not grow up in a house that cooked food, okay? So I'm
Thankfully, the
working on
garbage
it.
gets to eat.
Okay, turn the heat down a little bit. I used oil instead of that Pam baking flour stuff, and then I put some blueberries in this one because I forgot the blueberries in the other one. Hello, Yippee. Hello, little Zazu. Hello. We have Zazu. I can't reach you, Yippee. Through the bars. Hello. Hello. Hi, Pumbaa. I'm just kidding. You like your screen door?
What?
She likes her screen door.
No.
Hello, little Yippee. Oh, you're a good boy. Hello, Yippee. Hello. Hello. Woo! You want to wash that finger, want to wash that finger, want to wash that finger. Remember a part in Alice in Wonderland when he has a blue caterpillar on his shoulder?
Hamish, you have a caterpillar on your shoulder.
Yeah.
Don't hurt it.
You'll want to wash that finger.
So every single time I pet Yippee, we always pet him with one finger because he likes a little head rub. I do, or I'll use a couple of fingers sometimes, but petting him through the bars, it's hard to do that. I have to usually only use one finger. So it reminds me of that when he's like, you'll want to wash that finger.
Why do you keep him in a prison cell?
Hi! I don't have to. I'll take him out right now. You'll want to wash that finger, want to wash that finger. Oh shit, turn the pancakes. They're... Sorry!
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
They're not burnt. They have character. Hell yeah! Are they to your liking?
They're fucking still
King
burned.
Ryan. They're not. Now that those are flipped. Hello. Come on, little Yippee. Good boy. I'll help you out of your house. Hello. Do you feel like a king? We still have orange juice left over from the bridal shower I just threw my sister. So that's good. We get to enjoy that. The sausages came out really good, Roy.
Thanks.
And I'm just finishing up the last couple pancakes.
No surprise being that I cooked them.
Mousie's waiting for hers. Hello. Can you tell I like syrup? I like smothered it in syrup. Whatever. And here's Mousie's Mickey pancake.
And 2 sausage?
She's excited for it. No, sausages are mine.
You'll want to wash that finger, want to wash that finger, you'll want to wash that finger.
All my crazy songs that I make up get stuck
I
in
made
my
that
head.
one up.
Yeah. Okay.
I made it up. You always copy me.
Ryan, shut up.
Just kidding.
Woo! Oh, I didn't mean to give you the whole thing. Don't choke and die.
Oh my god!
Don't choke and die. She ate the whole thing.
In one bite.
I only meant to like hold it out for her while she took little bites off of it, but then I freaking
And you
dropped
decided
it.
to let her die.
Alright, I'm giving Maxine. You don't have to jump. Here. Yum. Yum. I gotta give your brother Yippee a little piece. Yippee.
It's not her brother.
Yes, it is. Yippee. Hello.
Yippee is literally my cousin.
Piece of pancake.
It was my uncle's bird.
Yum. Let him enjoy his pancake.
Yum. We gave Yippee a big piece of pancake. He's still eating it. He loves it.
Yum.
Oh, he's having the last bite. Yeah.
Oh.
And when you give him food, it shuts him the fuck up.
He has a full belly now.
I said this reminded me of breakfast I would have growing up. You know, like home-cooked breakfast. Now my daily breakfast is cereal and oatmeal.
That was my breakfast growing up every single day. I had oatmeal every day of my entire life. I'm giving you your breakfast. Good girls. Eat the food. Yum, yum, yums. They love their mixed grill. Yum. Yummy. Was that yummy? Hi, little one. Yum. You little tabbies. Love me, Paisley. Hi, Paisley. Getting ready to go. Ryan pumped up our bike tires. Thanks, Ryan. And he got us waters. And we're ready to go.
Look at how pretty. Imagine living here and having that view.
Wow. Yeah, it's pretty.
See those nests? Those are osprey nests that someone set up.
Cool.
I was reading about that. They're like osprey conservation.
We have that bald eagle near us on the highway.
I know, on 36 by IFF.
What a pretty little dollhouse.
Oh, you're talking about this too.
Yeah, that's why I said it's
Beautiful
like,
how they painted it,
it's
right?
like a dollhouse. So we just stopped at a vegan cafe in our area, and it's really cute. There's like these mug cabinets, mugs. They let us bring our bikes inside. Isn't that cool? Drink my water. Iced coffee with soy milk. And
You should
sugar.
fill
And
up your
sugar.
thing before you like put the water in the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Feel free to espresso yourself.
Right.
Wow, my hair looks real good.
It's not too hot of a day out today. It's like really nice and cool. The wind's blowing. We just stopped and got lunch and coffee and water. That was great. What was that place called, Rye? Espresso Joe's?
Yeah.
That was a good place.
In Keyport.
In Keyport, New Jersey. They have a lot of vegan options.
So we're here on the Henry Hudson Trail. We're riding back now after we went to Keyport and I stopped. Look, you got, it's hard to see, but that's the Freedom Tower. Lower Manhattan.
And the Empire State Building.
Yep. And I forget what bridge this is, but that's the bridge. On the left is Staten Island and the right is Brooklyn. And then of course, you know, all those buildings is the city.
The beach that we live at.
Yes. We're in Union Beach right now. There's some beautiful homes here. Look at the big blue one. So what are we gonna do when we get back to town? Are we gonna get a sub
I'm
or
gonna stop in front of a pedestrian
or
and
is
ring
splitting
my bell.
or is splitting that mac and cheese all we're gonna have? We're in town now. This is Keensburg. Wow, look at, there's a pelican. You see him? The one over there standing. Do you see the big pelican? There he is. I think that's a pelican. There's a great egret. I don't know what those are. Now we're gonna see if Maxine's phone can float.
I'll kill you.
I'll die.
I'll literally kick you off your bike, mate.
Cool glasses, bro. Love you.
Love you. You Strava'd it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's see it.
I'm adding some pictures to the Strava.
Oh, cool.
10.7. We averaged 6.3 miles per hour.
Cool.
It only took us 1 hour and 42 minutes. Feels like we were gone longer than that, right?
We got vegan coffee cake. This is a coffee cake that we got from that place. It's really good. Okay, we made it back from our bike ride and we are going to get lunch now because we only had like a little snack at that cafe, so we are off to get Moe's. I'll probably get a burrito. Okay, so we just got to Moe's. We're about to have lunch, but I just wanted to mention, leave us a comment down below if you have any video suggestion ideas for us, because it would be very helpful to see what you guys would like to see from us. We just stopped at Tractor Supply because they just opened one in our town, and my dad lives in Georgia, and when I visited him in Georgia I had to come.
And we just decided we're breaking our veganism. We're buying a whole bunch of chicks, grow them into chickens, and then humanely slaughter
Shut
them.
up. They have little baby chickens here. They're so cute.
These good rain boots, they're so heavy.
Some guy over there was like, "My dogs would eat them." Like, shut the fuck up. What do you think? My cheekbones.
What do you think, dude?
Dang, you look good.
No, I swear.
Crocodile Dundee over here. Do that selfie action. We just got back from Moe's. This is my burrito. I cut off a little piece because Ryan accidentally took a bite of my burrito. Anyways, I would have eaten it, but I wanted to give a little bit to Mouse anyway, so I just cut it off. And Coco gets a little bit. I just got rice, the cilantro rice. I got extra. And then I got the tofu. I got both beans, some guac, pico de gallo. I think that's it. And Ryan, oh, and I got some onions. And Ryan got the same thing. It's just he doesn't eat beans, so he got a lot more of the fajita veggies on his. There you go. Oops, sorry, dropped some. Some salsa. I'm gonna put a little bit on it. So good. All the hot sauce.
2 dots.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell to receive post notifications so that you know every time we upload our next video. Bye.
Bye.